Most people aren't organized by nature. It takes practice and discipline. So by the end of this short video, you're gonna leave here feeling ready to get and stay organized. And the benefits of being organized are endless. Increased productivity, cleanliness, no more embarrassing moments when a friend or a date comes over and it's messy. So without further ado, let's get you there. And the first tip that I have for you is to shop with purpose. When buying clothes, for example, don't buy random pieces here and there. Buy items that make sense and that match the rest of your closet. Ask yourself, will I actually wear this shirt? Do these pants go with the rest of my clothes? Otherwise, you have a lot of things, but never enough because you can't seem to put together great outfits with these pieces. So you stare at your closet thinking, man, I need to buy more clothes. I don't have enough. No, you have enough clothes. You just don't have the right pieces. Trendy fad clothing, for example, probably a bad idea. I try to get really great basics, essentials that are timeless, that I can mix and match with so many different things, and that will last a long time. Number two, you need to give things a proper place to go. I just moved to New York City. The first thing we did when we got our stuff delivered here was let's find places for our things. Let's find a home. Otherwise, you keep putting things in random places and you never know where your things are. So for example, your school material, your books, your pens, or whatever should all go in one place. Your grooming materials should all go in one place. Your jackets should have a section in your closet. Your shirts, button-up shirts, should have a section in your closet. So you know exactly where to put it back and also exactly where to look when you're looking for those items. It makes things a lot quicker for you. And that way, you don't have to second guess yourself when you're putting clothes away, like, I'll just throw it here, right? And you're never gonna find it. Make sure that you know where those things are going. Give everything that you own a home and you're going to be way more organized like this. 3, keep all of your grooming products in a toiletry bag to make sure that you're ready to go whenever you need to go. When I travel, or sometimes if I'm going to the gym and showering at the gym to go out after, I have everything ready to go in my toiletry bag. I have this Forte series toiletry bag and I love this. This is a must-have accessory for any guy who wants to look good wherever you go. It's made from premium vegan leather, it's durable, it's water resistant, and it adds a masculine touch to any bathroom, so if you leave it on your countertop, it still looks really good, right? If you're going to your buddy's house, if you're going to hang out, have dinner, pre-game, and then go out after, if you're bringing like a grocery bag, come on guys, it's time for an upgrade. Don't be that guy showing up with a little plastic shopping bag to your buddy's house. It just doesn't look good. It's time to grow up. It's time for an upgrade. Get the Forte series toiletry bag. Keep your things organized. It's the perfect size for travel. I always travel with mine. It looks great and it has compartments so that you can keep organized even within that toiletry bag. This is what I recommend. Go check out forteseries.com. We have the toiletry bag. We also have the most incredible hair products that you need to make sure that your hair looks great. It's all at forteseries.com, the first link in the description below. Number 4, have a random drawer. My favorite drawer. Honestly, this is the only drawer that you should have at your place. One drawer for all the random stuff that doesn't have a place. You know what drawer I'm talking about. Like you get home and you don't really know where to put something. You're like, where do I put this? If you can't think of a home, if it's too random and there's no actual place for it, then put it in that random drawer. But it should be a small drawer and you have to declutter it once in a while. You can't keep it just overflowing with random stuff. And you have to know what's in there. Something that's very important though, it needs to be one drawer. You can't have 5 random drawers or you're just gonna lose your stuff. That's why if you confine yourself to one space, one drawer, then you know that that's all the space you have for random stuff. Everything else at home should have a home. Speaking of clutter, you have to declutter constantly. This is something that you have to always do, right? I get a lot of clothes sent to me. I buy a lot of clothes. You guys see that I'm doing a lot of outfit videos and all of that, right? So I have a lot of stuff. I do. Colognes, I have over 100 colognes and I give colognes away all the time to my brothers, my friends, family, and I still try every day to declutter, to get rid of something from my place so that I can have peace, so that I can be organized. You guys should definitely do the same. Look over your closet, see what you need and what you don't need, and be ruthless, be quick with it, don't think about it too much. Have I worn this piece in the past 6 months? No? Is it because of the weather, or is it because I'm actually not going to wear it and I don't like it? If it's the latter, get rid of it. Donate it. Sell it to a friend, give it to a friend. It doesn't matter as long as it's not cluttering your space. If your space is cluttered, your mind is cluttered, and that is not good enough. Tip number 6 is organize as you go. If you're changing outfits, for example, like I do in my videos, right? And I don't know if you guys have watched my Instagram reels recently, like we do the snapping trends and so many videos where I'm changing outfits a bunch of times in one video. If you're changing outfits, either put the old outfit in a laundry basket if it's dirty, or if it's not dirty, put it back in your closet where it belongs, where the clothes are supposed to go. Don't leave it for later. What happens is, if we leave it for later, then it piles up, right? And it gets overwhelming. And now you keep delaying it because instead of one outfit, you're actually gonna put away 4 or 5 outfits. And that's gonna take you a long time to organize, so you end up procrastinating. That's how things quickly get out of hand. It makes a huge difference, trust me. Try it today and tell me how it goes. Guys, don't forget to check out forteseries.com to get your toiletry bag. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below for more. My job is to help you out, and I hope that I've done that with this video.